Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhu. So you guys might be wondering why I'm dressed up in all of this jewelry and stuff. People who know me know that I don't wear jewelry much. I don't like to get dressed up in heavy jewelry and heavy dresses because I believe always less is more. I don't believe in putting up heavy jewelry because I like to be simple. I like to get dressed in simple ways. But recently I wanted to do kind of Indian hauls or Indian styles. So for that I bought few Indian jewelry. So I was browsing for different sites to buy Indian jewelry, but I ended up buying all of the stuff from one site, which is Ajio. So today we are going to do Ajio haul. This is not the first time I'm buying from Ajio. I have tried few tops and jeans from Ajio. They were good. So Ajio is kind of ethnic brand. You will get Western stuff too, but it is more of boho jewelry, boho clothes, and more of Indian jewelry. So if you are looking for some quality and ethnic stuff, Ajio is a good place for you. So I have bought a lot of Indian stuff. I'll be showing you guys that. I'll be telling you guys the cost, quality, and all of that stuff. So before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
In this first part of Ajio haul, I'll show you guys heavy Indian jewelry pieces. Just to mention, packaging is really good. It is safely packed. First one is this Kundan and Beads choker. The quality of the necklace is really good. I thought color wouldn't turn out well, but the color looks good as well. I got this on sale for around 700 bucks. I think it's a pretty good deal for a neck piece and its earrings at that price. You can wear it for weddings or family events under something pink, red, saris or lehengas or any ethnic wear. Next is this Kundan pearl earrings and Mangtika set. I thought to try Mangtika, so I have ordered this. The gold tone is really good and rich. Of course, the quality is up to the mark. I got it for around 400 bucks on sale. When you're styling it, don't overload it with neck piece or something. Just this piece is enough to make the statement. This will be my go-to jewelry piece for Sangeet or any mehendi events. Next is my favorite piece. This is beautiful Kundan dangler earrings. This piece is different and unique from the rest. I got this for around 600 bucks. I bought it for a sharara look. I loved the pearl detailings around the earrings. Those are very cute and they look so royal. Next one is this heavy neck piece. This has a royal and rich look. You can wear it on saris or lehengas for your events. It costed me around 800 bucks, which I think is a very great deal for such a good quality necklace. This is another favorite piece of mine from the whole haul. I mean, the design looks really different and polished. It has good finishing with pearls. The last piece of this haul is this antique stones necklace set. This has a different look from the rest of the sets. This has got dark antique look. It has burgundy finishing. If you wear any ethnic outfits like pattu material, this will be the best pick for that. I got it for around 600 bucks. So that's it guys. This is heavy jewelry haul from Ajio. I'll make the second part of it as well with fine jewelry from Ajio. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your girl pals. Bye bye.